Guys, I'm going to show you how to make these wonderful fajitas in 7 minutes on your Ninja Foodi. Coming up. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. If you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. And if you're new to the channel, consider hitting that red subscribe button and the bell next to it so you get the alerts on all we're doing here. All right, like I said in the bumper, we're doing some fajitas tonight. Now, it's a little clickbaity because it's only really 7 minutes of cook time, but you got a little prep time in there, okay? So I bought this beautiful flank steak. It's already been cut up. I added a little seasoning. Now I got this heaven made products, Amazing Cajun. Well, I didn't have any fajita type seasoning, but this has everything you want in a seasoning and more. Has the right amount of little kick, right amount of little flavor, little acid, garlic notes, the whole bit. It's awesome. Give it a shot for your fajitas, all right? I'll put a link down below to heavenmadeproducts.com. Go check it out. I'm not an affiliate, just love the product. Love the owner, Michael Petrie. He's a good dude. In fact, I interviewed him on my hot seat. So if you hit that link right there, you can watch him on the hot seat. You know he's a genuine, awesome dude, all right? So this was really easy to do. I let the meat sit in the seasoning in the refrigerator overnight, but it really doesn't need to be overnight. You could do it, you know, an hour before, not a big deal, okay? And then I was lazy again, and I had some onions and bell peppers, and I bought them in a packet already sliced up. You know, it's a work night. You don't have time to mess around. That's why you got this foodie in the first place. Might as well get everything chopped up and ready to go, okay? The first thing I did was I put a half a cup of water into the pan of the foodie, all right? Now follow along with me over here. I'm gonna cut it in so you can see what we did, all right? Half of it I put the meat, and the other half I put the veggies, the onions and the peppers, all right? Only pressurized it for 2 minutes, all right? That's all you need. You don't want these to just like cook to hell, all right? 2 minutes is all you need. Checked it out, released the pressure. It's real easy to do. Just watch your hands. You don't want to catch some of that steam coming out. Pulled off the pressure lid, closed the air crisp lid, and then turned it on to a high heat, so it was 390 degrees. And when it goes, we'll let it go for 5 minutes. All right. All right, so I took you through how we put this together. It is real easy to do. Took some tortillas, warmed them up real quick, got some pepper jack cheese, just ready to go. Easy as can be. This is an easy, quick dinner. You're gonna love it. All right, guys, we're done. I took you out through how to do this. I showed you how to put it together in this foodie. I'm just telling you, it's so easy. I've already actually tried some of the meat before I put it in this fajita wrap, and it was so good, so good. All right, a little juicy, nice and tender, easy as can be. All right, so I already have a little taco made up here. I'm going to take a little bite for you. Get this side, there's more meat on this side. All right. Then you need someone to high five when you're filming these things alone, you know what I'm saying? Good job, guys. Oh, that's good. Going back. That was too good, guys. Give this one a shot. Everybody loves fajitas. Love the veggies in them. Love the meat in them. Tender as can be. Use that flank steak. It's awesome. Listen, I know some of you might be in the market for this bad boy right here. I would be too if I were you. I'll have a link below to my Amazon. All right, buy this bad boy. Cook on it. Tell me what you think of it. You're gonna love it. Click on the link below. Go buy it from Amazon. It's gonna be awesome. All right, I'll also put a link in the comments. It'll be the top comment pinned. Leave a comment down below if there's anything else you want to see me make in this thing. and leave a comment and telling me what you're gonna make in your foodie next. All right. Listen, if you do these things that I do on this foodie, or any of the other cooking utensils or gadgets I use, find me on social media, give me a follow, let me know what you do. Tag me in your accomplishments with your foodie, with whatever I'm cooking with. All right. I really want to see it from you guys. I want to know how you guys are doing and if I'm helping you out. All right. One last thing, make sure you hit that like button. All right. It helps us. Helps get this in the algorithm. The comments, the likes, the shares, all that stuff helps us grow. Okay. So if you're already part of CJ's crew, you know I need your help to grow. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you become part of CJ's crew. You know I appreciate it. All right. Thank you for stopping by, and thank you for cooking with CJ. Take care.